Alright guys, we're back after a long time of not doing anything. Figured today would be the day to start back. So today, we've got the 95 Chevrolet. We got it jacked up in the rear end right now, taking the stock shackles out. And we're going to be going back with these 2-inch drop shackles from Belltech. Got them off Amazon. Real heavy duty, well built drop shackle. And what we're going to do is we're going to level this truck out. So as you can see, what we already had to do is take the receiver hitch off. It will not be going back under there. I don't really pull nothing anyway. And we got the jack under it to take stress off the leaf springs. And we're in the process of getting the driver's side rear shackle out right now. Takes just a little finesse and a little beating on the stuff and bending my fender. So we're gonna get those out. So top and bottom bolt, they thread in from the inside to the out. And then after that's done, we'll install one shackle on this side and show you how that goes. So we'll return in just a second.
It's not too wide.
Alright, so we're back. We've got the 2 bolts out and the old shackle out. And what you got now is the new shackle going back in. I'm going to use the very topmost setting on the shackle, that top hole up there. The bottom just goes in one way at the bushing. Got to do a little tapping. This is definitely a 2-man job. If not, you got to get under there. Someone has to push up on this leaf spring so the other can pull the bolt out, because it's pretty stiff to get it up over the frame. Also, it helps to have somebody else to hold the wrench on the back side, because these bolts from the factory are really tight. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and get that back started, and then get back to you in a minute. Alright guys, so we got one side done. As you can see, it's installed right there. So what's going to happen now, or what we had to do, is I had to lay on the ground right here. We'd get a bunch of dirt in my eyes. And we fed through the bottom, left it loose so we could line the top up. You definitely want to do that. And then what happened was I had to hold the wrench on the back side and tap in with a hammer at the top because the bolt got caught on the frame. So a little bit of work there, but still not that hard. So that's one side, and we'll get to you on the other side shortly. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we're back again. Going to the passenger side now, taking the bottom bolts out, and then we'll later move to that top one right up there. And I'm going to show you what came out from under here. The original 1995 factory shackle. The new ones feel about as heavy duty, just not rusted. Yeah. So there it sits. I'm really hoping that these shocks ain't wore out, because if it is, I might be doing a little bit of the fag sag. We don't want that. So if I wind up that way, I'm just going to leave it that way for a week or so until I'm able to get some shocks under it. But hopefully that won't happen. Be back in a few. All right, so ladies and gentlemen, when you're taking your receiver hitch off, there's going to be 2 bolts that have no nut that goes to them. That nut's welded on to the frame right there. So it's the one furthest back you can get, and that actually helps hold your bumper. So don't remove those and leave those out. So we got to put these back in. All right, guys, we're back. I got the other one in. You can see all nice, shiny, and black up in there. Same amount of work effort on the side. Really helps with 2 people. All right, so now we're going to see from a small distance what it looks like when it comes down. Man, they were right too. That come out spot on. Same amount of wheel gap in the back is now matching the front. Couldn't ask for better than that. So now she's leveled out, and that puts me another step closer to my goals with this particular truck. All right, guys, well, that's how you install and tweak around with the belltech drop shackles. You guys check those guys out. This ain't no sponsor video or nothing. I don't own any of the rights, or I'm not, sponsored or anything. I'm just saying these guys are good. They got some good stuff. So go check them out. You can find them on Amazon. All right, until next time, stay tuned for the next, which I think will probably be headlights. I'm gonna get rid of these factories and go back with some new and do the LED. All right, until next time, peace.